All right, so in this video, we are going to talk about the small business owners snapshot. And that means every workflow that I use for business owners. And you can also add some templates. You can add different systems, but think about that every business needs to generate more leads and needs to attend more leads or save those leads that he's missing or the business owner is missing. So yeah, so we are going to see the small business owner snapshot, and we are going to try to match with Podium and Beard Eye, right? So so this is how it looks, the small business owner snapshot. I'm going to add more automation right now, and but basically what I recommend you to give to business owners is like have your basic plan should be just conversations, your dashboard, of course, Launchpad dashboard, conversations, your contacts. You should not add the calendars. Maybe if you are going for a very specific niche that needs calendars, but you need to add training, and there's going to be a learning curve. So what I recommend you is just conversation, because it's very easy just to integrate Facebook, Google Maps, Instagram DMs, SMS, emails. It's very easy to it's very easy to just integrate that into conversations. All right, and you can add opportunities. That's like a CRM. You can add that in the second package, but the very basic package should be just Launchpad, dashboard, conversations, and reputation. That's all you need. Okay, and of course your onboarding system that I already give you with a bunch of videos in there. Okay, but that's what other big companies has. And you see, Podium, this is the essentials, is 289 per month. So I'm not saying you should charge that. You can charge way more because you are adding your support, and this is a big company, and you don't want to try to compete with features. So what I recommend you is have that in your SaaS brand, but also market to a specific niche so you can sell more, and also add some templates about, for example, if you are going for HVAC, then add some funnels for HVACs. Okay, and sessions, they have captured online reviews, so that's basically their reputation tab. You have a text-based website chat, so that's basically sites website chat, so you should add that also. And the website chat looks the same as this one. All right, so we have the same actually. And easy to use text marketing, that will be SMS, your shared inbox. And well, apps integration, that's you also have that. We have a white label lead connector app, so that means you can add with Zapier, you can integrate a lot of apps. So maybe you can add that as in your basic package. And secure and simple payment processing, that's the link to pay, and that's inside the conversation tab. All right, and that's the same as Beard Eye. Beard Eye is offering website referrals, reviews, all of that, and the pricing is so the pricing is like you have to add your details. So I recommend to add the login details, but you'll receive a very similar price like this one, essentials, 289 per month. Okay, and if you put it as 200 or $90 per month, we already have training in here. You have it with my bonuses, but make sure you have that with your bonuses. So what is the business owner's snapshot? Basically, what we have in Beard Eye, all of the message that we are receiving from Facebook, Podium is not actually following up with them. Okay, with autoresponders, what we can do is like ask for the for the phone and the email. And what we are going to do with that, we are going to have it automated, so it's going to have like a 24/7 automation running. So let's create this. So basically what we are going to do here right now is adding all of the channels where a customer can reply. So we are going to choose customer replied here, customer replied, and we are going to choose here reply channel, and we can choose email, chat widget, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Messenger, Instagram DM, and SMS. So I'm going to choose chat widget, email, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Messaging, and Instagram DM. Well, maybe email, I'm not going to add it because you are going to receive a lot of replies. So maybe chat widget only, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Messaging, Instagram DM, and SMS, I'm not going to add that because it's going to be a mess. So let's start with chat widget. All right. And here, instead of here, we are going to see chat widget. Chat widget. automation, and we are going to do the same for all of the channels. Okay, so just wait me a second. Right, so we just added chat widget, Facebook Messenger, Google Maps, and also Instagram DM. And I'm going to create here an if else. So that means if this workflow contact is not active in any other workflow, that means this is a new contact and is not running any automation. Basically, just a new contact that is sending a message. That means if yes, like this is not an active contact, that means this is a new lead. Okay, so new lead, right? And what we are going to do is like we are going to add a node, add to nodes, and here the node is going to say, wait a second, is the full name. So just wait me a second. Right, so basically we have this new node. So this is going to add in the contact details. Yeah, we are going to add just the contact name, email, phone, and the message body. So what does he say? And then we are going to add an internal notification, right? So this will be an internal notification. That's mean app from the app. This mean new lead. And here we are going to add the contact full name. This is going to be you have a new. Okay, so I'm going to do, we just generate a new lead for our system location dot name. That will be our system, or we just generated. I like we just generated a new lead. Here's details. Here we're going to add contact name, email, contact phone, message body. And redirect page, we are going to redirect to the conversation and also all users. This is going to, they are going to receive this notification to all users. And you can create this type of notification via email, SMS, but I'm just going to do the app notification, right? But it will be great like if every time that you generate a new lead, the business owner receives a new notification. Okay, so that will be the system: chat widget, Facebook Messenger, Google Maps, Instagram DM, right? And so another thing that I'm going to add is if the workflow trigger is chat widget, that means if the lead came from the chat widget, we are going to add a different set of automations. Okay. Another thing that I'm going to add is add this if the workflow triggers is chat widget, that means if someone send us a message from the chat widget, what we are going to add is add a tag. Okay. So here we will need tag, add contact tag, and I would recommend you to add from web chat, and we are going to add this tag. Okay, from web chat. That's basically the automation that we are setting up. And well, I'm going to add different branching here, and it's going to say workflow trigger is the Facebook Messenger. So that means from Facebook Messenger, and we are going to add it here. So let me just put it here. Reply channel. That means we are going to check if the reply channel is from chat widget or is from Facebook Messenger. We are going to add a different setup of tags. So just wait me a second here. All right, so it's done. We have if the reply channel is from web chat, from Facebook, from Instagram, from GMB. We are adding the from web chat, from Facebook, from GMB tag. And another thing that we are going to do, and that's the point of having an autoresponder, is that we are going to create a message. Okay, so we are going to send, for example, if it's web chat, that means it's an SMS because we collected the phone number. So we are going to send an SMS that is, and the message is going to be, just wait for me this to load. And we are going to send this hello, this is name, can I have your phone number to call you back? So if the contact replies with his phone number, GoHighlevel is going to automatically add that phone number into the database, and that's super amazing to have that feature, right? So I'm going to use this one, SMS, and if they did it from Facebook, we are going to have Facebook or Messenger here, and this will be the template. And if it's from Instagram, we are going to choose Instagram DM, and do the same here. Okay, do the same. And GMB, Google GMB messaging, right? And we are going to do the same. But another thing that we need to do, and if this is a new lead, and maybe this lead send we don't have their phone number or we don't have their email, so we also need to check if the contact details of this user, for example, the phone, if the phone is empty. So if the phone is empty, means phone is empty, um, we are going to send this message. If the phone is not empty, what we are going to do is checking another if else, if the contact details, and we are going to search for email. If email is empty, we are going to ask for their email. Okay, so email is empty. We are going to ask for their email. So we are going to send another SMS, and wait a second. So this will be the message. All right, first name. What's your email? I'll be with you in a second. Okay. So this sounds very. It's not robotic. So we tested this, and we have replies with this automation. Okay. So we have another SMS that is. If the phone is empty, we are going to ask for the phone. If the email is empty, we are going to ask for the SMS. For the email. And if the phone and the email we already have it, well, we are not going to do anything, and we are going to send an SMS that says, all right, we are going to be back with you. So this will be the message. So if the phone, if we have the phone and we have the email, we are going to send this message. I'll be back with you shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with? Don't hesitate in calling us for a faster response here, right? So I just did this automation, and I have to do the same in every channel. So it's very easy. So what I'm going to do is just copy all actions from here, and instead of having SMS, what we are going to do is replace it with Messenger here, and I'm just gonna copy and paste the SMS here, and then let's delete this action and have it in here. So I'm gonna do the same for Instagram DM, Google My Business, and I'll be back with you. Sure. Right. So just let me erase these ones. And another thing that we have to do if the phone is empty, right? Is that in here if the phone is empty, I'm just doing this automation so you know how I'm building everything, and maybe this will work for you. You don't have to be an expert with this. I'm just doing it, but yeah, I'm just doing this for you to understand how the workflows work. And what I'm going to do here is that if the phone web chat and the phone is empty, and yeah, the phone is empty SMS, and this will stop here. So I have to add a go to automation and go to, okay, just go to this condition. So we need to check the email. All right, so that's basically what we have to do in every automation in here. Go to and then check email again. Okay, so yeah. All right, so I just did this. It's not too complicated. All right, so it's just new lead. If this is a new lead, that means this contact is not active in any other workflow. We are going to add a note with a message body, and we are going to send an internal notification. I recommend you to add other internal notification for the business owner for both email and SMS. And if they come from the web chat, we are going to tag them as web chat. And we have a condition here. Well, if the phone is empty, we are going to send an SMS. And there's something that we miss here. we have to add a wait for reply. Okay, so basically is sorry, is contact reply to this SMS. All right, and if they don't reply in 5 minutes, we are going to ask for the email. Okay, so this is wait for reply 5 minutes, and we are going to ask for email, and we are going to use the same for the email is here. We are going to wait for reply, but this is going to be another SMS. That means this SMS, the SMS of email. And also we are going to wait 5 minutes, and then it's a go to this one. Okay, so that looks like this. So if we don't have the phone, we are going to ask, hello, can I have your phone number to call you back? And we are going to wait 5 minutes. But if they reply, we are going to see if we have the email. If we have the email, then we are going to ask, hey, what's your email? I'll be with you in a second. And we are also gonna wait 5 minutes. And but if they reply before those 5 minutes, we are going to go to, okay. I'll be back with you shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with? Don't hesitate in calling us for a faster response here. So that means we created an autoresponder. So I'm just gonna add this wait for reply in here, in here, in here, and in every step. But that basically is. Okay, so I just erased the if condition of the new lead, but I recommend you to have an if condition that if this is already a prospect that we have in our database, like don't have these 24/7 autoresponders. But yeah, this is going to run every time you have a Google Maps, chat widget, Instagram DM, or Facebook Messenger a message. Or another thing that you can add here is that add filters. So if someone replies to Google Maps and they reply to a workflow, or don't have the tag prospect, for example, or don't have the tag um, already contact active in our database, something like that, like just a tag to know that this contact is already in our database. If this contact is already in our database, maybe you don't need to have it in your autoresponders. Anyways, so yeah, so that this is the autoresponder workflow. And and another thing that you have that will be a great idea to have is also an ad update opportunity. Sorry, like update opportunity. So have a pipeline, like a journal pipeline, and put all of the leads in that pipeline. Okay. So just let me create a new pipeline, like a main pipeline of every lead that comes in, that is not running a promotion, just a main pipeline. So you have to go to your opportunities tab. Okay, so let's go to opportunities and let's create a new pipeline. So that means this is going to be the 000 pipeline. So this is main pipeline. The first stage is going to be new leads, and well, you can add other stages here, and also have like the final stage will be the goal of the main pipeline. So just create this, but we are going to send all of the new leads that are coming from our or from the autoresponders. We are going to send it to the first stage of the main pipeline. Okay, so we are going to send the new leads, and we are adding contact name. The source is going to be added automatically, and you can also add the lead value here. And I'm going to add it as um, as open. And well, 0001. That means this is the new leads. You need new leads stage of the main pipeline. So I'm going to add it here, 001 point. This is 24/7 autoresponders from Google Maps, and we are checking if the reply channel. We are checking if we have the phone. If we don't have the phone, we ask for the phone. We wait for the reply, and then after we wait for the reply, we are going to email checking if the email is empty. If the email is empty, we are going to ask for the email, then wait for the reply, and then go to this one. Okay. So I believe this one is going here. Well, it's not showing, so let me just refresh it. Okay, no idea what is not why is not showing, but this is going to this one that it says I'll be back with you shortly. And we do the same for Messenger, Instagram DM, and Google My Business Chat. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, we have the 24/7 autoresponders. We also need to create another automation, and this is the holiday emails workflow. Okay, so for the holiday emails workflow, we just need to go here, start from scratch, and this will be 00 holiday emails workflow. Okay, and for this we are going to choose the birthday reminder, but we are going to add a specific month. If the month is, for example, February, and the day is 14, that means this is the Valentine's Day. Okay, so I'm going to add all of the workflow triggers, and then what I'm going to do is, if else the workflow trigger is Valentine's Day, we are going to send an email that says Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Valentine's Day, and you just have to modify those templates. And yeah, so just wait me. Okay, so I just created all of the holidays, all of the days of the holidays. So I recommend you to double check, because in Mexico is different holidays. But anyways, what you have to do is click save and then refresh. So all of the workflow triggers in the if condition shows up here, and then we just gonna create the if else. It's going to be workflow trigger is Easter day, okay, and also in here at a branch, workflow trigger is Father's Day. Workflow trigger is Halloween. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I just finished. It's Easter, Father's, Halloween, International Women's Day, Labor, Merry Christmas, Mother's, New Year's, Valentine. And well, I'm not saying you should do like these holiday emails, SMS, and create those Canva templates. So, but it's always good to have a reason, like yes, a reason to do an offer. Okay, so in this Easter day, we are giving away this offer. Okay, so I recommend you to have in here, for example, have an SMS and send hello, for this Easter day, we are giving away, and here you have to add your offer. Would you like to take it? Just reply yes. Okay. So then you can just do an automation that we created that says, if contact reply to this SMS is yeah, if the contact reply, sorry, it's not a wait, is if the contact reply event, I think it is, no, uh, no, I think this is the wait contact reply, just wait, condition, contact details, no, it's contact reply. If the contact reply to this SMS, then we need to create an if else. If the contact reply contact replied yes, okay, you reply yes, then we can send the offer like this, offer voucher or something like that, offer voucher. So that's the purpose of having a holiday emails workflow. um, for reply, If they don't reply, we are not going to send anything. But if they reply yes, we are going to send the offer voucher. So I recommend you to do this kind of automations. If you don't want to have it inside here, what you can do is like add to a workflow and create a workflow that says Easter offer or something like that. And for the Father's Days and all that, you can also create in here like a go-to. But anyways, that's the holiday email workflows. And for the 1 year of emails workflow is very basic. Also, it's very simple to do it. So I'm just gonna create it right now. Create a workflow. Start from scratch. And this is 1 year of 11.00. 1 year of 11 nurture sequence. And we don't have a workflow here. You just have to add them to the workflow. And I'm just gonna create wait one wait 25. We can do wait 25 days and send an email. Send email here. Email nurture one. Email nurture one. And this is just wait. I'm gonna do 30 days. Wait 30 days. So that's if someone is not interested, you just have to put them in a 11 nurture sequence. So every 30 days, we are going to send a message. So just copy all action from here. So just going to erase this. Nurture. Then copy all action from here. Then copy all actions from here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so just copy actions from here, and that will be. So that's 1 year of 11 nurture sequence. It's a very basic automation. I should erase this one. But for the missed call text back, we have another automations in here. So if you create a workflow and then go to automate call text, that's a recipe actually. So before there wasn't that automation, uh, but yeah, you have assigned to user, contact, SMS to lead. Sorry we missed your out. How can we help? Push notification to assigned user and internal SMS to assigned user. But there's a little trick that I like to add here, and this is that if the contact details of the phone, so this is if the phone contains some LADA. Sometimes you have a spam, and if the LADA is, for example, if they are calling from Mexico, maybe you want to you don't want to send a notification because this is a spam. Is not spam. So we're going to add does not contain 52. Right, and then here you can add a segment that is if the phone also is coming from another country. See, let me just phone does not contain. So maybe if they are calling from 99 or something like that, you may not want to have those calls. Okay, so check country code. So just a little trick. So it's not a spam. We are going to add like this. If if this is a spam, we are going to add as we are not going to send anything basically. So that's the auto miss Mr. Call. Oh, this is going to be a very long video. Okay, and another, we have the review request automation. So that review request automation, before we needed an actual automation, but here you have it, reputation. Then go to this little widget. You just have to generate the link, and then you can create the SMS sent to user, and email subject sent to user in here. You just have to create the automation in here, and then what you can do is like in automation, when someone is interested or someone just paid for the system, you just have to take in consideration that there's an action that is review request. Then review request, and it's going to follow email and SMS from here, from this little widget. Okay. And we also have the appointments workflow. That's actually a recipe, and so you will need to import those two workflows, two snapshots. Sorry, and this is from the opportunities of the appointments. We are following an IV that is called A, and it's booked, confirm, no show, cancel, and show. And here we have the automations of the appointments. And if we have a new appointment, we are going to send notification. We have confirm, reminders, no show, reschedule, cancel, reschedule, show, review request, and a reschedule sequence. Okay, so booked, notification. We have appointment status is new, the appointment status is new, and you can also add a filter for a calendar. We are using the calendar A appointments, and that calendar you can find it inside the calendar settings. Okay, so here remove from workflow rescheduled sequence because we have a new appointment. We are erasing the cancel, no show, and show tags. We are sending an internal notification, and then email not yet confirmed. And this is if you have your appointment as not confirmed. If you have it automatically confirmed, that means in the calendars, you'll see in the calendar settings, this is the calendar that we are using. But there's a little trick in here that is, it says, let the calendar auto confirm my appointment. That means that every appointment that you are getting is going to be auto confirmed. But if you don't have this as set up, you are going to receive a notification that says, please confirm this appointment with your client. And that works if you have a client that doesn't um, that that you don't have an integration with their schedule system, and you may want to check first if the appointment uh, is two-way sync with Google Calendar, or is not two-way sync with their scheduling system. Okay, so that's for appointments. Appointment confirm. We are just sending the appointment the appointment reminder. So this means that we have before 2 hours, before 2 days, before 1 hour. And here, if it's a no show, that means that contact status is no show, or we are adding a tag that is called no show. That means we are updating the status and not shown, and then we are adding to the workflow reschedule sequence, and we are just asking them to reschedule. And if they show, and it's just adding the tag or having the appointment as show in the calendar. You just have to choose the calendar, add tag show, send review request email, send review request SMS. So that's basically is in the reschedule sequences. We are asking them to reschedule from this link, appointment reschedule link, and that's from GoHighlevel. So yeah, that's basically the every workflow on an automation a small business needs to grow their business. Just copy paste it. Of course, you need to modify it, but you should not do a lot of stuff. And we are also giving you the 100 funnels and website templates. So yeah, you can use that one too. Okay. So see you in another video. Sorry for this very long video, and see you.